it starts, this is gonna get fun. Welcome to Walters Farms. Today we're trying to get a head off of an old ass piece of shit. So the other day I was feeding coolant mixed with oil and it started blowing by real bad and knocking. So we're gonna try and get to the head and hope that it's a top end issue, not a bottom end issue. You know, just a usual day at the farm. Everything on this thing's a 9/16, and if it isn't, it's a 1/2 inch or a 5/8 or 3/4.
Worked on it that many times, have you?
Enough to know that we're missing all of our wrenches. There it is. Can you be quiet? We're trying to film. I am not your little action camera puppet thing. You can't even get a wrench off. Before you ask, yes, we have impacts. No, I'm not using them because impacts are good for rounding stuff off. I speak from experience on that. Get it? Those aren't bent. Normal person would take, oh my god, I don't know when the last time the air filter was cleaned in here, but it's pretty heavy. Should we take it? God, why is it so heavy? Alright, let's see the last time the air filter was cleaned. Nope. It could be worse. I love my job. Intake. I'd say she was choking for air. Now we're gonna pull things off. And gonna come last. The life of the engine. How do I know that? Because I'm that good. We're gonna try and get to the head. That's the goal, is to get to the head, to get the head off. The problem is I'm lazy because we don't know entirely if we have to pull the main block. And really the book probably says that I need to pull the oil cooler off and the radiator and all of that fun stuff. But, I mean, right now we're just trying to figure out what went wrong, whether it was a top end issue or if it's in the bottom end. So basically, our head starts here and ends almost up here by the oil, or the hydraulic oil reservoir. And basically, if I can tear the head down without taking, this big oil cooler off and just, get the intake, take the exhaust manifold, turbo, everything off, just so I can get to the head itself, bring the cherry picker over there in from the side and try lifting just the head off, and then I can hopefully turn it or angle it however I need to do it to pull the head the rest of the way out. So that way I don't have to worry about taking this off or anything up here until I know for sure if it's in the bottom end. Okay, then I have no issues with pulling my shroud off, my radiator, oil cooler, hydraulic reservoir, all of that's got to come off to get the motor out. So I'm going to take off as little as possible because it's a 1983 544C John Deere. I don't know if we can get parts for it. So right now we're just going to see what we got going on underneath, decide what we need to do from there or what we want to do. It may not even be worth fixing, I don't know. But it sucks now because we used to use this to load with, like our feed truck, and then we'd haul bales with it, you know. It was really nice. So we need this machine. That's all there is to it, or one like it. It doesn't have to be this one if we decide not to fix this one. But we need a loader because it makes life so much easier. So yeah, that's the rant. That's what's going on. Yeah. Yeah.
Seriously.
Oh, you know just how to turn me.
I bet.
I'm taking a nut off the turbo intake side. Clean air, charged air, clean charged air. Yeah. No, this does not have an intercooler. This was the 1980s when they barely knew their head from their... So, I hear we're a child-friendly YouTube channel. Oh God, it's ugly. Hey, why are there stripes on the screen?
Remember, that's the really bright part.
Doggo. It's the what and the who for $5 did how? This here is for ether. It doesn't work on this machine. I don't care about it working. Oh, it's not even plugged in. My God. Oh my God, he said God. He swears. I was expecting it to be stuck. Oh! Dearie me! Stay. Good dog. Oh. Her. What? Oh, doggy do. Where are you, doggy do? Oh, yeah, baby. Clamp you back on.
Hi.
Did you get the good side of my fat rolls?
Hey. What's up, Pooch?
It's all about the shot. God, your batteries die so fast on this.
It's cold.
Is it?
Yes.
I couldn't tell you. I'm working up here. God, that was like death. That's a workout and a half getting up and down off this thing. Nope, not it. Nope, not it. Ah! Oh, well that's freaking stupid. How does that work? Sorry, I'm looking at the injection system in this, or on this thing. I wish it was simple as, oh, it's just your injectors. Nope. Not. I wonder if you can even get turbos for these anymore. I don't even know what kind of turbo this is. I can't really see either. All I know is this turbo is very spool-like. You can really hear it. She's a tiny one too. That means it doesn't build very much boost. We do have another turbo. I don't know if it's good or not. I don't think it is. But per se, someone took a turbo off of a semi-truck and stuck it on this bad mamma jamma. Now that'd be pretty baller. Look at that, it's already loose right there. This is the turbo oil feed line. Why is there an O-ring on a crush fitting? Oogie! What in the cousin Alabama Betty Crocker is this shit? Is that... You know what? I'm not even gonna question it. I'm just gonna take my things off here. Like the good little lad that I am. And then after that, we got fuel lines. We got this hose. Shit. Sheet. A sheet of butter. Right. Well, we'll deal with that later. Let me guess. I get that. 9/16. Would you look at that shit right there? Surprised that didn't break. This one. Need a little bit of guitar. Yes, there are some loose. That's what we call exhaust leaks. El Dace. I need a longer ascension. Oh my God, he shot his cameraman. Are you a man? He just called my woman a man. Oh. That's good. It. Good. I like when things come together. Apart. Be kind of weird if we were going back together. Oh. Oh, look at that. And we didn't even snap any off. Now that's impressive. Mental note, this can exhaust manifold. Keep her memorized. Oh yeah. Oh yeah? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oi. Oi. Yeah. Yeah, oi. Oh yeah. Yes. That's good to go. What if it just, every time I put a bolt in, like this, I just drop it in, it goes ching. Like, I make millions of dollars from this. Only, plot twist, I'm making nothing off of this. Nothing but broken tears, sorrow, bankruptcy, bad thoughts, good deeds, poor decisions, long rods. Rod. No. Good catch. I think we've hit max tilt. Okay. So, here's where shit's gonna be a little fucking hectic. Not bad. Could have been worse. Could have been a lot worse. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's a freaking hunk. She's a big girl. Oh yeah. John Deere knew that they were going to have to work on their equipment so much, they put built-in tool holders on them. Would you look at that? According to the diagram of my brain, we have injection lines, fuel lines, going to the lovely little... Okay, just come look at this for a second, alright? So we have this apparatus here. This fuel line, okay, they bend up, no big deal. Why wouldn't this inside line just go straight to that injector, and then this line just bend up and go straight to that one? I mean, come on. Nah, yeah. Maybe I'm just crazy, I don't know, but this is just... It boggles my mind. Well, I'd say we needed exhaust manifold gaskets. Supposed to look a bit like that. That's non-existent. Yep. Would you look at the time? It's time to go. Alright, so today we got our clean air intake off, our intake horn, got the exhaust manifold and the turbo off. It's all sitting over there. Tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and get the fuel lines off and then see about what all I need to get off for the oil cooler. Get all the wiring, the few wires that are on it off. Maybe pop the valve cover off, I don't know, we'll see. And then maybe tomorrow we might have a head pulled off. Maybe. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, follow along. I don't know what we're going to do yet. If it's fixable, we'll fix it. If we can get parts, we'll fix it. If not, might just find a motor and put it in here. I have no idea. You'll just have to wait and find out. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.